Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, we got a huge Minim LA clothing haul. So Minim, that's a hard tongue twister. Minim LA is actually the brand by Miss Laura Lee herself. We love her, influencer here on YouTube, Miss Laura Lee. I've been watching her forever and I've been always super curious about the clothing about Laura Lee or Minim LA. I do have one sweater from her and I have her body care. I have her sandalwood. It's sandalwood. It's like her body cream, her body gel, and her body scrub, which I freaking love. It smells so good and it's so lathery and delicious and it lasts super long on the skin and it's delicious. But I haven't checked out her like actual clothes, so I bought a couple goodies and we're gonna try them on today for you in this video. So if you are interested, then tune into that video. Okay, so let's dive on into this. Let's see what one of the first clothing items is. Oh, I really like the packaging. Like everything is very minimalistic, not like me, like bright in colors and purple. Everything is super minimalistic. You see it says Minim LA on there. I know she changed her clothing brand boutique name recently. It used to be Nudie Patootie, like her eyeshadow palette, but then she changed it to Minim LA. And I think the rebranding of Minim LA is more cohesive. Like everything is this like beige color. So I actually really like it. And she doesn't have a lot of colorful things like me on her website, but I think it's fine because I think this stuff that I did pick out, it's gonna fit really well like with my aesthetic and then as well like with work. I got this, I know it doesn't really look like anything on, kind of like a button-up t-shirt, but it actually ties one side then one side, and it is super thick material. Look at this material. You see this? It's very pretty blue color. I think it's going to complement me well with my hair tone and my skin tone. As you can tell, it is in the size extra large. It is a wraparound, which is nice, and then I am able to wear it with like a high-waisted pants. I like how it looks with the sleeve. I really like the collar. I think this is a really cute shirt. Let me know what you think down below in the comments if you like this or not, like this type of style. I do like it. I think it's cute. So that is the shirt right there, and I really like the pattern. And the pattern has stitching on it, so it's not like it's embroidered. It's not like whatchamacallit, like cheapy print. It's like actually an embroidered collar shirt, so I think it's gonna be perfect for work. I forget what this is. Let's open it up together. I have a suspicion of what this is, but let's see. I don't know why they would wrap it in a box if they can just put it in together, but let's see. Hopefully this is exactly what I wanted. This is her body cream in sandalwood. This is my second repurchase. I literally just went through the last of this morning when I showered, and I was so upset. I was like, oh my god, thank god I have a Minim LA package because I don't have any of my body cream. This is my favorite one. Like I used to wear a lot of the Boom Boom cream by Rio de Janeiro, but kind of expensive. It's like $50. This is like 20 something, and it literally smells so freaking good. It smells like sandalwood, like straight up sandalwood. But if you don't like the smell of sandalwood, because I know sandalwood can be an acquired scent, she does also have like a coconut scent. But look at this. Look at the branding. Like, doesn't it look so bougie? It looks so nice. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's musky, woody, sensual, and leathery. I love musky, woody scents more than sweet and fruity scents in my opinion. I think the musky, woody scents smell better with me with my body chemistry, and I think it mixes really well because I feel like I'm kind of like sweet, musky-y scented, so it like complements me. I really love it. Love that. Love that. Okay, then we got this. You see, Minim LA. Don't you love the branding? And I believe these are recyclable. I believe they are, and I like the texture of this. It's like a soft matte. Oh wait, this is a lot cuter than I thought it was gonna. Oh, I need to go shopping more on her thing because so far the quality, like that collar one was super thick and really good quality. This is a shawl. This is like a, whatchamacallit? I was gonna use this for work. Like, look at this. This is literally the color of this, and it's literally the color of the bag. Do you see? They're like identical. This is just like a I always forget. They're kind of like work sweaters in a way. I forget. They look business casual though, in my opinion. And this was in a size large. Yeah, it's super cute. It has a pocket right here. It's super fluffy. fluffy and it has a bunch of holes in it, but I think it's still gonna keep me warm. It's kind of like a material with whatchamacallit? I always forget it. Kind of sheep-like in a way. Like it looks like little sheep wool, but it's not sheep wool. And it's pretty long and it does have pockets on both sides. So yeah. It's really, really cute. I'll put a picture right here of how it's supposed to look. I think Laura Lee was actually modeling this one. I think this is going to look good with my skin tone as well. So I do really like this as well. I think it's really, really cute. And I got most of these things on sale. Pretty sure I did. But I just wanted to do a small haul for you to try out the brand. And then if we like everything, then we can for sure buy more things and actually do a full haul, because right now I just did the sweater, I did the shirt, obviously my favorite body cream on earth. This is a hoodie. I love hoodies, or I love like crew neck sweaters. I'm obsessed with them. I knew that this quality was going to be amazing for a hoodie. So this is just the branded Minim LA hoodie, and it is in that beige custom color, like her custom beige color. It is oversized. I got it in large, but I read on the website that it was going to be very oversized. Maybe I should have got it in medium, or did I get it in medium? No, I got it in large. Pretty sure I got it in large. I like that it's kind of distressed. Like it kind of looks like it's been used, but not really. And then it has the front pockets in here. Some hoodies don't have this. This does, which is really, really nice. Inside, it's so thick. I don't know if you could tell how thick this material is, but like, do you see how thick the material is? That's insane. It's like an inch, more than an inch thick. And I believe this is a drop shoulder. This is back. This is how the hoodie looks on. Look at it while me modeling it. I think it's really, really cute, and it's super heavy. Obviously, it's really long on me as well. I have a shorter torso than anything, but I really, really, really do like it. And it's super, super thick. It's gonna keep you really, really warm. So that was my haul. I got the hoodie. I got the sweater, which I'm gonna use probably tomorrow for work. I got the collared shirt. Collared shirt is super, super pretty. And then I have the actual body cream. So what did you think of Minim LA? As you can tell, all the colors are super muted, but everything is very classic. And you can literally wear all year round. Like there's nothing at minimum. Well, there is a couple dresses and stuff, but I feel like everything is super like classic and very thoughtfully added to the website, which I really, really enjoy. And I do think as a whole, like the collection makes sense for the girl that they're trying to achieve, which is like classic trendy LA, but very sophisticated in a way with like the muted colors, which I really love. If you haven't, at least go try the body cream. Like I highly, highly, if you don't like sandalwood, try the coconut one. It smells amazing. I prefer the sandalwood, but it smells really, really good. But yeah, thank you so much for coming. That was a quick Minim LA haul. What did you think? What was your favorite item? The hoodie is just high quality. Like it's so nice. It's so nice and so soft and like thick. Like I'm surprised it's not going for more money. Like I'm really shocked it's not going for more money of how high quality that hoodie is. But yeah, thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. If you wouldn't mind, if you do like these types of vibes and styles, I have a lot of unboxings and clothing hauls on this channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, like this video. It really does help out my channel so much. And click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.